everyone, I'm Lydia from Jack and the Wolfe in the UK, and this is my model, Selene. Today we're going to be creating a really cool, relaxed hairstyle on a grown-out pixie haircut. So I'm going to start by using the Conscious Style Cleansing Mist, and it's really important to give this a really good shake before you apply. And be sure to comb it through just to make sure that you're distributing the product from the root to the lengths. And what you'll feel is that the hair already just feels cleaner. And you do need to dry this product into the hair. Next, I'm using the Conscious Style Styling Putty. This can be used on wet or dry hair, but today we're going to use it on dry hair. So we need to, first of all, break this down with our hands. And this is a really lightweight, moisturizing product that has carnauba wax in it that seals in hydration, but leaves a nice matte finish. So this is a really good product to use on longer hair as well, because it's not too heavy and it just distributes really nicely through the hair. I'm just going to finish now with the Conscious Style Multi-Benefit Spray, and this can be used as a styling spray on wet hair or a finishing spray on dry hair. It's really lightweight and it's got a real flexible hold. So just going to spritz this over our style. So she can still run her fingers through her hair, she can still play with it, but she's just got a really soft hold.